Performance optimization makes your applications fast by reducing latency, saving resources, and improving user experience. Key techniques include using StringBuilder for string concatenation instead of repeated string addition, avoiding unnecessary object allocations, preferring value types like structures for small data, and using async for input-output bound tasks to keep threads available. Profile with benchmark.net for accurate measurements, cache expensive computation results, batch database operations, and use appropriate collections where dictionary provides fast lookups and list maintains order efficiently. Measure before optimization because premature optimization wastes time on code that might not matter. And last but not least, balance the performance improvements with code readability and maintainability because fast code that nobody understands is technical debt.